raining today. Since morning it was raining just like this. I was awake since 6 o'clock, hoping that chef is going to call me to come by 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Tonight or tomorrow morning I need to go to Canberra for the wedding of John and Charlene. They are tourists. They come here during the rainy time. Good evening, guys. At the moment we are here in the petrol station. Inigo is peeling the some gas. Yeah, so yeah, we are here in the petrol station and we are going to Newcastle. Actually, I am going to Newcastle. I'm going to Sydney. I'm going to McDonald's. I'm going to buy something takeaway. I think it's closed already. At the time now it's 11 o'clock. Here we are now here in the Hamilton station, and you see that Sydney Junction Hotel. Hey, they are busy. There are many people outside. Some of them looks like already drunk. Yeah, Inigo is that car. Yeah, he's going back to Nelson Bay. That is going to be an hour drive. Yeah, we just came from work, both of us. Yeah, there are still some people. They are also going to maybe in Sydney. Yo, very sleepy, guys. I am alone in here. And we are here in Gosford. So we are now waiting for the connecting train that is going to Sydney. And at the moment we are here in Gosford. There are a few people that are also waiting. So very cold. And you know, the next train going to Sydney is in 2 hours. Yeah, by 3 o'clock, 3:16 actually. I don't know what I am going to do. There is no restaurant or any shop that's open at the moment. Those are just the noisy drunk ladies. Now we are out here in the here in the town center of Gosford and looking for a convenience store because I am hungry. Yeah, I just switched off my mobile phone. Yeah, I just put my power bank. And I am now going to Google the 7-Eleven or any convenience store if they have in here. Oh, that pub is still open. There's some people inside, they are dancing. So this is like the shopping street here in Gosford, in the William Street Mall, the name of this place. Yeah, there's no people in here. There are some cars and there are some people from time to time, but I don't think there is any convenience store. So I'm going back to the train station and I'm going to eat just some of the junk food in there. There are some window machine. Even if I go inside that pub, they don't have food anymore. The chefs, the cook, they gone home already. There are actually some taxi around, but Yeah, I'm not convinced to take a taxi. There is also Uber and other similar service, and it will cost $120 to Sydney. No. And we are now going back upstairs. And these are some of the food option in here. There's actually one beef jerky, mixed nuts, pork cracker, but this, you know, pork cracker is it is very salty. Okay, we're going to take one of that mocha iced coffee. And the bendo machine here, they are also using card. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Oh, it's $4.20. Yeah, also one of that cookies. That's $3.50. Oh, it's not working. The card reader is not working on that machine. Good thing I have some coins in here. Okay, I got one big cookie. There is one train coming, but this train is going to Newcastle. And there's no passenger. I don't see any passenger at the moment. Okay, so this train just arrived. And I guess these people are coming from work, and some of them are coming from party. Yeah. This train is going to Wyong. Finally, the train has arrived. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock and 3:14 in the morning. Okay, we go. So we are now here in Sydney. Oh, and if you notice, yeah, they are doing some improvements. It's going to be like a modern train station. Should we go out first, or there we go? Okay, we are now here. I actually got this sushi. Hey, again, you're maybe wondering, I'm going to eat this rice, this sushi rice, this early this morning. Hey, the time is 5 o'clock. And it is really cold. Oh, I should buy from there. Yeah, all those people, they are working in the train. Yeah, I still have 1 hour for the train that is going to Canberra. I just booked a ride and it is $50.84. Oh, the sunrise already. At the moment we are here in the Sydney Central Station, and yeah, this is the train that is going to bring us to Canberra. This one is the first class, and this one is the economy. I paid $50 for this ride. This is going to be a 4 hours ride all the way to Canberra. Oh wait, yeah, of course they have a toilet. Yeah, there is like a shop where you can buy a coffee, drinks, and it is in between the first class and the economy. When I was booking this, there is no more vacancy in the first class.
You travel?
Yeah.
You travel much?
No.
Just you're no help, are you?
This is nice. This is a nice leg space, as you can see. Also, there's this kind of table. Yeah, the sun shows. A while ago it was really foggy and we don't really see the environment. Yeah, really nice looking. It is very much scenic looking around here on the way here going to Canberra from Sydney. You see that? Yeah, really nice. Let's have a look on the other side. Yeah, if you compare to on the way going to Port Stephen, going to Nelson Bay, the way is fully covered of trees, so you don't really see much. But of course, from time to time, you're going to see the water. Yeah, the beaches, the lake. That is one of the good things if you're going to Port Stephen area. But in here it's really like this beautiful. Look at that, there is one big kangaroo. Yeah, there are more kangaroos on the side. Okay, no one knows that I'm here already. Jen was asking me last night, what time I'm coming here, but I said I don't know because I will be just on the bus. Yeah, so now we're going to explore the place. Yeah, you know, whenever I arrive first in a place, yeah, the first thing that comes into my mind is a shopping mall. Where is the shopping mall? Yeah, for some Filipino mostly is they think like that because shopping mall usually have the restaurant. Yeah. And of course most of those people, they have cars. Their cars are parked in here or they are waiting for their pickup. Obviously it is cold here in Canberra. Actually it is colder here in Canberra than Sydney or than in my place. I don't know exactly the name of this place, but this is still coming from the train station. Yeah, it looks very good in here. There's so many trees and lot of apartment, maybe are they, or houses or offices, I'm not sure. Probably residential. Oh, this one looks like a shopping mall. So I will be basically here from today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. And yeah, I'm thinking maybe that John just wanted me to stay in their house, but I think it's better for me to stay in my own hotel. I want to do that because it's not clear. So yeah, I will be staying in a hotel. Oh yes, I am right. This is like a shopping center. I can see there are many restaurants. I've been here in Canberra before during winter season. Yeah, this time it's not yet winter. Yeah, when I come here before, all those trees doesn't have leaves. Not good looking without leaves. Yeah, it's just good to stay under the sun. You feel the heat and you feel also the coldness. Yeah, I bought it from inside. It's $14. Then we're going to sit somewhere here. I don't know yet. These noodles, rice, and black pepper beef. There is supposed to be one more, but I said, "Oh, that's enough." Okay, we're now walking and heading to the hotel. So much nature here in Canberra. You see all these trees, and there are many crow. This area is residential. There's so many trees, big trees, and the hotel that I got is something look like a big house, but it's a hotel. Hey, that's the one. That is where I'm going to stay.